Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by testing hardware quickly. Plug the device into another USB port and swap the cable so you eliminate simple failures. Once done, restart Windows and reconnect. Reboot clears temporary driver locks and power issues. Open Device Manager, scan for unknown devices or yellow warning icons to see what Windows detects. You need this diagnostic snapshot before deeper fixes. Knowing whether Windows sees the device guides the next steps and prevents wasted effort on driver reinstallations that won't help. If Device Manager shows the device, right-click and uninstall, then scan for hardware changes to force a fresh driver load. This often fixes corruption. Next, update or roll back the driver. Choose the vendor INF when available because generic drivers sometimes fail. Also adjust power. Open power options and disable USB selective suspend so the controller doesn't cut power. These steps address software-level recognition and power quirks that commonly stop Windows from enumerating USB devices properly. For persistent issues, test the device on a second PC to confirm hardware or use system restore to a point when it worked. This separates OS corruption from device failure. You can also uninstall all USB root hubs in Device Manager and reboot so Windows redetects controllers cleanly. Finally, verify USB settings in BIOS or UEFI. Some ports can be disabled, and contact the device vendor if the problem remains. Tip: if a different PC recognizes it, focus on driver and power resets on the original machine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.